So the US market is going to have to wait for biosimilar versions of AbbVie's drug Humira because the AbbVie has accumulated a number of patents on the drug. In fact, our study found that they have filed over at least 247 patent applications for Humira. Many of these will expire in 2037. And as a result of the stockpiling of patents that AbbVie has compiled, it is going to delay biosimilars in the market at least until 2023. And I think what's important about that is the companies that have agreed licenses with AbbVie to enter in the market in 2023 will still be paying royalties, according to reports, to AbbVie. And so those costs are going to go back to the consumer as well, even when biosimilars come to the market. And AbbVie's CFO has actually gone on record and said that they're quite pleased with their patent and legal strategy, and this is why we're not seeing earlier entry of biosimilars in the US market. I think it's also worth saying that the regulatory procedure under the Biologics Competition Act in the United States is different to that in Europe. So getting a biosimilar version on the market in Europe is less onerous. You don't have to show the equivalent would be in the small molecule space of bioequivalence, and that's also why we're seeing a quicker uptake in the market, in the European market. It's also worth mentioning that the number of patents that AbbVie filed in Europe were considerably less. In fact, there are 3 times as many patents in the United States as there were in Europe, and almost 4 times as in Japan.